is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! Well, guys, I'm on my way, or we are on our way to Coralejo. Yay! Beautiful Coralejo. Yes, this morning I made an appointment to get a henna tattoo, my first henna tattoo. But I won't do it on my hands, I'm going to do it on my ankle. Only because I had an accident about a half a year ago. I burnt myself. I know it sounds weird, but sometimes when it's cold in the night, I like to get my hot bottle. And here, in Germany, we have these hot bottles, and you actually put hot water in the bottle. And I made the mistake by putting hot water in there, and then I fell asleep with that thing on my leg or ankle. That was a huge mistake. The next day I woke up, I had 3 ugly blisters or blister burns on my ankle. Yes, and it is so, it was horrible. And you guys know I play tennis, so that was kind of hard to play tennis because that's the area where you're moving around, you walking and stuff. But anyway, to get to the point, I don't know if I'll ever get those scars away, so yeah, I decided, well, let me get it's like, if they're never going to go away, why don't I tattoo that? Well, okay, instead of getting a tattoo, let me see what it's going to look like down there, first of all. So, why not a henna tattoo? Yes, a henna tattoo. I anyway always wanted one, and you don't necessarily have to have it on your hand. You can put it pretty much anywhere on the body. So yeah, I made an appointment yesterday, and so we'll see what it looks like. So I got an appointment at 11, and it's almost 10:30, and I'm going to be out there early. Yeah, so I would love it if you guys would hang out with me and check it out as I get my henna tattoo. Alright guys, hey, and don't forget, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Very nice people. They did my henna tattoo, and I can definitely recommend it, guys. Did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. Bye. Hey everybody, so I'm in my favorite shop. Let me go in the front. Wait a second. You guys can see. Yeah. So this is the shop I was telling you all about. Oh, okay. And this is the owner here. It's a very nice lady. And look, as you guys see, she always has these guys up at the Carlit Bio. And it's awesome. It's really awesome. As you see, price is right. And these are all the great products that she has in here. And this is the black soap that I was telling you all about. So these are the instructions here of what to do. Shalon, like they can't see, honey. So now you all know there's no excuse. So if you need some great creams and nice smelling soaps, this is definitely the place to go. What's your name, by the way?
Michaela.
Michaela. So this is the host here, the owner, and she's very nice, and she'll help you with everything. And she speaks English, Spanish, probably French too, right?
I'm Italian.
Oh, you're Italian. Oh, wow, not bad. Even better. Okay, guys. Until next time. See you later. Bye. Hey, everybody. So now I'm sitting out on the beach. I'm actually in the same location I was in the other day. In Corlejo. At this location. It's like right down the street from the tennis place. And we sat at this restaurant there. You can see it. It's called Toro Beach, with cocktails and restaurants. We're gonna go there again afterwards and have a drink and maybe eat some small snacks or something. But, okay guys, I wanted to show you what my henna tattoo looked like. It didn't turn out, I mean, it turned out really good. I mean, the people were really nice. But I took the wrong color. I took a brown color. And the brown, I mean, does not show up. I don't know. I thought it was going to come, I thought it was going to stay dark, but it doesn't. When she applies this, I don't know, it's almost like a clay-like type of material. It comes off super thick and it looks nice, but then it'll eventually dry up and it falls off, and then, yeah, basically the color, it dries up. It looks like an orangey type color. Even the guys told me that it'll brighten up later on, but I highly doubt it. He said the next time I should get black, but I don't even know if black is going to even do any justice. I mean, black will probably definitely show up better than this color. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's a disappointment, but oh well, I made my experience. Nice people, however. Didn't really cover up my ugly sore. But it's okay. It's okay. I mean, it is what it is. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it looked like.